Hello my little friends. Welcome to Kumar's Math Lab, where every problem has a solution. This is Class 3, Chapter-1, Part-1. In this chapter, we'll learn representation of numbers up to 10,000. So, let's get started. Hina's school is organizing a carnival. Oh wow, I love carnival. We all love carnival, right? We have a lot of swings and different kinds of rides there, right? Okay, Hina is in charge of selling the tickets. Okay, for each ticket that she sells, she shades a square box in her notebook as shown below. Okay, so what is this? Do you remember? I told you earlier. This is a flat, right? This is a flat. One flat is equal to 100. Okay? Keep this in mind. Okay? Now, let's see. For each ticket, she shades a square box like this. Okay? Is it clear? Yes, I suppose this is clear. Let's move further. Hina has shaded the following square boxes in her notebook by afternoon. Okay, she shaded these many square boxes. Okay, now tell me how many tickets she has sold. Oh, okay, let's try to solve this. Okay, so let's add these square boxes to know the count of tickets she sold. Okay, so this will be equal to 100. This will be equal to 100. Similarly, all the flats will be equal to 100. Okay, but in this last flat, she didn't shade one square box here, one little square box. Can you see? Okay. So, this flat was made of 100 small square boxes, right? But she didn't color one square box. That's why the number of colored square boxes in this flat is equal to, tell me quickly. The total number of boxes is 100 and she didn't color one box. So the number of colored boxes here is 99. Very good. Let's add these numbers together to know the count. Okay. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900 and Tell me, 999. Okay, because this flat has only 99 colored boxes. Okay, so the total number of count is 999, right? So, this is the correct answer we have. Okay, I hope you understood. Let's move to the next question. We saw that Hina has sold 999 tickets. 999 can be shown as, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 flats. Okay, 9 flats is equal to 900 plus how many rods? 1 rod is equal to 10, right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 rods. So 9 rods means 90. Am I correct? Yes. And how many blocks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 blocks. Okay. So we can represent 999 with 9 flats 9 rods and 9 blocks. This will be equal to 999. That is 999. If Hina sells one more ticket, what is the new number of tickets that Hina has sold? Okay, so she previously sold 999 tickets. Now she sold one more ticket. So what is the total number of tickets now she sold? Yes, this was very simple. This is 1000. Okay, so this is the correct answer, right? Okay. We show the number 1000 using 1000 blocks. Yes. This is how we can represent number 1000. Okay. 1000 is written in one word as, tell me, 10? No. 100? No. 110? No. 1000? Yes. This is the correct answer. 1000 is written in words as O-N-E-1, T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D, 1000. Okay? We can count forward from 1000 by adding a one block to previous number. Okay? Okay, I'll explain you now. Look at the first two numbers. Then follow the pattern. Fill in the blanks that will come next in the figure. Okay, let's see this figure first. Okay, we just saw this is equal to 1000, right? And this small block is equal to 1, correct? So, this number is 1000 plus 1. What will be the answer? The answer will be 1001. Okay, see, it is written here, right? So, this figure represents 1001. Okay, 1000 block plus 1 block. Okay, now let's see this figure. Okay, now tell me what number this figure represents. This is equal to 1000 and we have 1 and 2 blocks. 1000 plus 2 is equal to 1002. Very good. See, it is written here. Clear? Okay. Now tell me what number this figure represents. Similarly, this block represents 1000 and we'll add these 3 to this 1000. So this will become 1003. 1003. Correct? Let's check the answer. Yes, it is 1003. Understood? Very good. Let us count. Let us continue our counting. The number that is one more than 1003 is, tell me, 1003 plus 1 will be equal to this number. See, it is written 1000 by this block representation and these are 4 small boxes to represent 4. Okay, so this will be equal to 1004. Very good, my kids. Very good. It can be written as 102. Absolutely no. 1004. Yes, this is the correct answer. 104 is also wrong and 1002 is also wrong. Got it? Let's move further. When we place one more ones block with 1004, we get this number. What is this number? Tell me. You already know. I know you know the answer. Write in the comment section. The number that comes just after 1004 is? Yes, it is 105. Very good. You all got it. Very good. I'm so proud. Select the number name for the number shown by the model. Okay, let's see. This is the model shown. We know what number it represents, right? I just want to listen from you all. I know you all know. Tell me. This block is equal to 1000. And how many ones block we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 1000 plus 9 is equal to 1009, right? So the correct answer is 19. No. 109? No. 109? No, absolutely no. Don't get confused. See, 19 we write like this. 109, how we write this? 109. Okay. And 109, how we write this? This also we write like this, 109. 1009, yes, this will be the correct answer. We write 1009 like this, right? Okay, very good. Let us see what happens when we add one more ones block to 1010. Okay, so this is 1000, this is 10 and let us add one more block. This is 1. So what is the number? Tell me quickly. Yes, it will be 1010 plus 1, right? It will be equal to 1011. Okay? 1011. Okay. How do we show the next number now? 1012 is shown using these blocks and rods and small boxes. Ones boxes, right? So this is 1000, this is 10 and this is 2. Okay. So these are equal to 1012. Right? Now place the number represented by each model below. Okay, let's place it. Let's see this model first. What number it represents? It represents 1000, 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So we'll add these 3. How much we'll get? Tell me. Let's add it. 1000 plus 10 is 1010. 1010 plus 5 is 1015. Right? Am I clear? Okay. So let's check the answer. Yes, it is 1015. Now let's see this block. Okay. This is equal to 1000. 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. So, simple. Tell me the answer quickly. 1000 plus 10 plus 7 is 1017. Correct. Let's see the answer. Yes, it is 1017. Now, let's see this last block over here. Right? Now, this time you will tell me the answer first, okay? This is 1000, this is 10, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. What is the correct answer? Quickly in 1 second. Yes, it is 1019. Very good. Let's check the answer for this. Is it 1019? Yes, this is 1019. Okay? Hope you enjoyed learning. In next class, we'll see few more questions of representation of numbers up to 10,000. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.